everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Alright, so I'm finishing up my medium Barbie baskets. I have 2 more to do. This is the first one. I finished up some other things too, but we'll get into those another time. Anyway, this is the medium Barbie basket. Alright, and in this basket I have, of course, our Barbie doll. We have a bubble wand here. I used the lip gloss that I got from Dollar Tree and put in there. And I also put these bath crumbles that I got from Big Lots. Alright, and then we have our 2 Barbie lemonades. And these are the block lemonades that click together. So I put 2 of them in there. And we have our cotton candy and Cheez-Its, as well as some fruit snacks. Fix my little tape here that don't want to act right. Alright, and then I have ring pop over here. See the ring pop with our Rice Krispie treats. And then I have 3 eggs in here, as well as an airhead, which is right there. Alright, so that is what this basket is looking like. I think it turned out really cute. So I'm going to wrap it and bow it and get it put up. Alright, so y'all tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing, no second guessing. Every blessing has a lesson, y'all. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.